Hi guys, it's welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a slime collection. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, it's better lighting in here because it's not nighttime, it's morning time. It's 8 o'clock, or it's 8:30 now. Yeah, 8:30. My dad is still asleep. I don't know where my mom is, but so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slimes. So the first one is this slime. This is a fluffy slime. It's really cool. I just can't wait to show you guys my other slime. I'm saving the best for last. Oh. This might be a short video just because this is probably going to be a short video because I don't have much slimes, and I just did a video. I just did the same video, but it deleted it. I had to delete it. This sign. This slime. Whoa. The question of the day. I'm starting to do questions of the days, but I might forget sometimes. But today, the question of the day is, what is your favorite type of slime? And if you guys don't know what types of slime there are, then just tell me what's your favorite color. So that's that slime. It's really cool. I love that slime. Alright. Next slime is this slime. This is really glitter. It's called glitter slime. It's really, 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 really cool. It's really like stress reliever. It's really glittery. The next slime. It's going to be a really quick video because I don't have much slimes. Did I already say that? Yeah, I think I already said that. I don't know. Then I have this powder stuff. That's called a moldable. You have to add water to it to make it mold. But okay, I'm just adding a tiny bit to my hand because last time I did this video, it spilled everywhere. Everywhere. Like everywhere. Okay. Oh gosh, it spilled. This is red dust stuff. It's really cool. This red dust stuff. They have to add water to it though to make it mold because I can't figure out how to make it mold without water. What's the powder? Okay, next slime is this slime. This is the second to last slime. I'll just get a little bit out of this one too. Because yeah, this one's a glossy, fluffy slime. I don't know. But I added some of this into it because it's a green slime and I want it to be like Christmas slime. And I added a snowman charm and a candy cane charm. And then I added this, so it's Christmas slime. So this is my Christmas slime. It's a really cool slime. Whoa. It's really stretchy. It feels so soft. So there's one of my charms that I put in. It's a snowman one. Okay, so that's that slime. My next slime is I'm gonna get it open. This is a really hard container to open. Let's see here. Can't get it open. I'm good. Come on. Oh, I have to open it. Let me see. Get open. I got it open. Yup. That's so funny. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look. It's really cool. I'm a cool guy, I like it really rough guy. You squeeze this one, it goes like slimy and it goes chunky. It's really cool slime. This is my favorite slime out of all my slimes. It's really cool. Like water. And it doesn't even stick. See, I'm going to put it on my bed. You guys watch. So this is my bed. I'm going to put it right on my bed. It doesn't even stick. Doesn't even stick, guys. It's so cool, though. Because it doesn't stick. It's really cool. My parents are probably watching this video and be like, what in the world are you doing, Zoe? That's your new comforter. But it doesn't stick. I promise, Mom. Okay, you guys probably be like, still mad at me, but I'm so sorry. But that was cold on my knee. I just fell on my foot and it was so cold. This also has red dust in it. That's why you guys are probably like, what in the world is in your slime? See? Red dust. It's really cool. Like, whoa! I fell on the bed again. This did stick to my robe though, because I put it in my arm and I was like, ew, stickiness. My dad has probably woke up by me. Oh, that's cold. Fell on my legs again. So it keeps falling. How are we gonna, after this, I'm probably gonna go to my Nina's, because I want to, you know. Ah, cold! Okay, so that's that slime. It's really cool. I love that slime. And then look at it. Go back in. Boom. Got an inch. Boom. I hope my parents are watching this. If they're not, then I'm... They're supposed to subscribe to my channel. Well, they did. I looked at them. What do it? But, like, they might not put the post notification bell on. In the meantime, that's all my slimes. But make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So, the keyword of this video is... What's your favorite slime? Type of slime? But if you don't know what type of slime are, then just tell me your favorite color, or you can tell me both. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So.